Have you ever wondered about the secrets that the moon, our closest celestial neighbor, holds? The moon, a celestial body that has fascinated humanity since time immemorial, is more than just a pretty ornament in our night sky. It has been a pivotal part of human culture, inspiring countless myths, stories, and scientific pursuits. From early civilizations who saw the moon as a deity, to modern scientists using cutting-edge technology to unravel its mysteries, the moon has always been a subject of intrigue and curiosity. It's been our compass, our calendar, and our celestial lab, driving us to ask questions, seek answers, and venture beyond the familiar. Some of the earliest astronomers turned their eyes and rudimentary instruments towards the moon, hoping to decipher its enigmatic features. Their pioneering work laid the foundation for centuries of lunar exploration and research. So, let's delve into the intriguing journey of moon research, from its humble beginnings to the astounding discoveries of the modern era. Long before the invention of the telescope, our ancestors gazed at the moon with curiosity and awe. The moon, a constant yet ever-changing presence in the night sky, has fascinated humanity for millennia. In the ancient world, different cultures attributed unique stories and meanings to this celestial body. For instance, in ancient Greece, the moon was personified as the goddess Selene, illuminating the night with her silver chariot. The Egyptians, on the other hand, viewed the moon as the god Thoth, the keeper of time and wisdom. Across the ocean, the ancient Mayans developed complex lunar calendars, tracking the moon's phases with remarkable accuracy. They believed the moon was a crucial player in the cosmic dance of the heavens, influencing the tides, the growth of crops, and even human behavior. In ancient China, the moon was often associated with yin, the feminine principle of the universe, contrasted with the sun's yang. The famous Mid-Autumn Festival, or Moon Festival, is a testament to this enduring lunar fascination. A time when families gather to admire the full moon and share mooncakes, symbolizing unity and harmony. In the realm of science, the moon was the subject of speculation and debate. Early astronomers, such as the Greek philosopher Anaxagoras, proposed that the moon was not a deity, but a physical body, reflecting the sun's light. This was a revolutionary idea, challenging religious and cultural beliefs of the time. The development of the lunar calendar further underscored the moon's importance to our ancestors. By marking time based on the moon's phases, early societies synchronized their activities with the rhythms of nature. From planting crops to religious ceremonies, the lunar calendar was integral to the fabric of ancient life. The invention of the telescope in the 17th century, however, marked a turning point in our understanding of the moon. With this new tool, we were able to see the moon up close for the first time, revealing a world of craters, mountains, and valleys, and setting the stage for the lunar exploration that was to come. The invention of the telescope opened a new window to the cosmos, transforming our view of the moon. This statement rings true, as the telescope ushered in a paradigm shift in our understanding of Earth's celestial companion. At the forefront of this revolution was a man named Galileo Galilei. In the early 17th century, Galileo, an Italian astronomer, made a leap of faith and pointed his rudimentary telescope towards the sky. What he saw would change our understanding of the moon forever. He observed that the moon was not a perfect sphere as previously believed, but a world with its own mountains and valleys, much like our own Earth. His sketches and observations shattered preconceived notions, ushering in a new era of lunar exploration. Galileo was not alone in his endeavors. Other astronomers too played their part in this revolution. For example, Thomas Harriot, an English mathematician and astronomer, was contemporaneous with Galileo, and he too explored the moon through the lens of a telescope, creating detailed maps of its surface. As technology improved, so did our ability to scrutinize the moon. The invention of more powerful telescopes allowed astronomers to delve deeper into the moon's mysteries. They discovered a landscape riddled with craters, a testament to the moon's turbulent past. Astronomers also identified lunar seas, large flat areas of basalt, which they named Maria, the Latin word for seas. In the 18th and 19th centuries, detailed mapping of the moon became a scientific endeavor. Astronomers meticulously charted the moon's surface, naming the craters, mountains, and other features. This mapping paved the way for future lunar missions, and continues to be an invaluable resource for scientists and researchers today. The telescope revolution brought the moon from an enigmatic, distant object to a world within reach, a world with its own geography and history. It ignited curiosity and set the stage for a new era of exploration. While telescopes brought the moon closer to us, it remained an unattainable destination. The next step was to get there, to set foot on the moon's surface. But that's a story for another time. The 20th century heralded a new era in moon research. The space race between the United States and the Soviet Union catapulted lunar exploration to new heights. This competitive spirit, fueled by Cold War tensions, led to unprecedented advancements in space technology and exploration. The first successful lunar mission was achieved by the Soviet Union with Luna 2 in September of 1959. Luna 2 made history as the first man-made object to reach the moon, crashing into the lunar surface and marking the USSR's victory in this leg of the space race. However, the United States wasn't far behind. With the Apollo missions, NASA took a giant leap forward in space exploration. Apollo 8, launched in December of 1968, became the first manned spacecraft to orbit the moon, paving the way for the momentous event that was to follow. In July of 1969, the world held its breath as Apollo 11 launched from Kennedy Space Center. 4 days later, astronaut Neil Armstrong stepped out of the lunar module and onto the moon's surface. His historic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the globe, marking a monumental achievement for humanity. On that day, the moon ceased to be a distant celestial body in our night sky and became a place where humans had set foot. Buzz Aldrin joined Armstrong on the lunar surface, and together they spent 21 hours collecting samples and conducting experiments before making the journey back to Earth. This successful mission changed the face of space exploration forever, proving that humans could not only reach the moon, but could also conduct meaningful scientific research there. The moon landing was a monumental achievement, but our exploration of the moon didn't stop there. The following Apollo missions expanded on the successes of Apollo 11, furthering our understanding of the moon and paving the way for future lunar explorations. The legacy of the space race and the moon landing continues to inspire us, reminding us of the great heights humanity can reach when we dare to dream. In the 21st century, our understanding of the moon continues to evolve. The moon, our nearest celestial neighbor, once thought to be a barren and lifeless entity, has revealed some astonishing secrets in recent years. The most significant among these is the discovery of water on the moon. Yes, you heard it right, water. In 2009, NASA's Lunar Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite crash-landed into the moon, ejecting a plume of material that scientists analyzed. This bold mission provided concrete evidence of water in the moon's Cabeus crater. Since then, further studies have confirmed the presence of water ice in the moon's shadowy regions, and even surprising hints of water on sunlit surfaces. This discovery not only reshapes our understanding of the moon's geology, but also opens up exciting possibilities for future lunar missions. Imagine if we could extract this water, we could potentially use it for drinking or break it down into hydrogen and oxygen, providing fuel for rockets and breathable air for astronauts. It could be a game changer, making the moon a pit stop for deeper space exploration. Speaking of future missions, ambitious plans are already underway. NASA's Artemis program aims to land the first woman and the next man on the moon by 2024. This mission will not just be a brief visit. The ultimate goal is to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon by the end of the decade. Imagine a time when the moon is not just a celestial body we gaze at from our backyards, but a place where humans live and work. In the grand scheme of things, we're just at the dawn of lunar exploration. With each new mission, each new discovery, we're peeling back the layers of the moon's mysteries. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, who knows what secrets the moon might reveal next? From ancient observations to modern space missions, our understanding of the moon has come a long way. Once thought to be a divine entity, the moon has evolved in human understanding from a symbol of mystery and mysticism to a tangible destination, explored by telescopes, rovers, and astronauts. The telescope revolution of the 17th century brought about a seismic shift in our knowledge, revealing the moon's craters and valleys. This was followed by the epic space race of the mid-20th century, culminating in mankind's first steps on the lunar surface. Today, our exploration of the moon is driven by a blend of curiosity and necessity. Modern discoveries like the presence of water ice on the moon's surface are reshaping our understanding and fueling plans for future missions. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the moon, it remains a testament to human curiosity and our unending quest for knowledge.